Welcome. If you want to keep your photos and videos private and prevent Google Drive from accessing them on your phone, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to block Google Drive from accessing your photos and videos so your media stays secure and only where you want it. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you control all the permissions for your apps, including what they can and can't access on your device. Next, scroll down and find the section labeled Apps or App Management. Depending on your phone's brand and software version, the name might be slightly different, but it's usually easy to spot. Tap to open it. Now you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through the list until you find Google Drive. Once you spot it, tap on Google Drive to open its settings. Inside the Google Drive app settings, look for the option called Permissions. This is where you can see everything the app is allowed to access, from your contacts to your camera, and of course, your photos and videos. Tap on Permissions. Here, you'll see a list of different types of access. Find the one labeled Photos and Videos. Tap on it, and you'll be given a choice: allow or don't allow. To prevent Google Drive from accessing your photos and videos, simply select Don't Allow. This blocks the app from viewing, uploading, or syncing any images or videos from your device. That's it. You've successfully stopped Google Drive from accessing your photos and videos. If you ever want to change this setting in the future, just follow these same steps and adjust the permission as needed. Taking control of your app permissions is a simple but powerful way to protect your privacy and ensure your personal media stays private. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips on keeping your digital life secure.